Okay everyone, I'm back again. I'm going to do a blowing pour. I just scraped the canvas, so I'm just redoing the white. Just want to make sure there's lots of paint on here. All right. I think I'll probably blow it with a hairdryer. And then if I need to, I'll use my breath, but try this again. I have, what is this? This is cobalt blue. And then I have copper. This is Basics, or no, Artist Loft. And then I have Cerulean Blue by Artist Loft. And I have some gold. And maybe a tinge more of the dark blue, and then that's it. Whoops. All right. I pour some white around. Feeling rather cramped up here today. All right. I'll blow the white over. Turn it around. Okay, that's all I'm going to blow with the hair dryer. Wow, those colors are beautiful. Maybe I should just leave it. Maybe I don't need to blow it anymore. I don't know. Maybe a little bit there. Maybe I should. That's it, that's it. Yeah, there is a difference when you do it with a hairdryer. It's more of a streak action. Okay, I don't want to wreck it now. I think I'm done. I better not. I think I just ruined that. Okay, I'm not doing any more. I love it the way it is. All right, that's it. I'll hold it up for you. I think it's great. Copper blues, 2 different blues, and some gold. Thanks for dropping by. Come back soon to my art room. Have a look in the description below, and you'll see a link to our Facebook page that we've started, my sisters and myself. Dropping Paint with Dianne and Art by Susan King. And share your pictures. Glad to see them. Thanks for coming by. Dried results will be at the end. Bye-bye. Hi everybody. I came to see my dried painting. I did it yesterday and it dried today. Pretty quickly. My Dutch pour. Dried so smooth. I really like it. There we go. Dried results. All right, come back soon to my art room.